it's Lorena and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I am so excited for this Bougie on a Budget spring lookbook featuring Forever 21 items. Now, the reason why I decided to shop on Forever 21, I'll get to a little bit later, but there's an overall reason, and that is that you don't have to buy super expensive outfits to look cute and fashionable. A lot of the items that I bought are very similar in quality to Urban Outfitters, ASOS, Topshop, Zara, like all more slightly higher end stores. And the reason why I love to shop at Forever 21 instead of those other stores is because I feel like they tailor more to my size, a smaller person, and that way I don't have to actually go and get them tailored. So that's why I recommend it. Of course, it's also affordable. We live in a world where fashion is always changing so fast that I feel like unless it's really a classic piece that you're going to be able to wear for like quite a few years just to get your money's worth out of it, then why would you buy higher end stuff when you can buy things that are very cute, super on trend, and that you like at a pretty good price. Anyways, getting back to the actual spring lookbook, I am so excited about these pieces because it was not a very cold winter here in Georgia and it's been very rainy this week, but I have a feeling it's going to be a beautiful early spring and I am just so ready. The items I picked out, not all of these are new, only a few of them, and this is perfect because that way you can freshen up things you already have in your wardrobe with just a few new pieces that will make just everything seem new. So that's always good, and it motivates you to look cute. So let's just get into this haul. So for my first outfit, this is actually the reason why I started looking on Forever 21's website. I randomly got on Facebook one day, and the first thing that popped up was like this beautiful pink skirt, just like this. It just had pockets, and I was like, I want it, but it was like $60 or something, and I was like, for a pink skirt? So I just Googled pink skirt, and this came up. And I was like, it's from Forever 21. It's probably going to fit me really good. And if it doesn't, I can go and return it in store. I am so in love with this. If I was a skirt, this is me. It's just like a PVC material. And on the inside, it's very soft. So it's just so comfortable. It's very easy to move around. Randomly, if you sit down and then get up, it'll squeak a little bit, but it's fine. I'm so in love with it. I paired it with this black tee from Forever 21 as well. These two are new items. And I just made a little knot right here in the front just to give it more shape and structure with the skirt and to show a little bit of skin. And then I paired it with this black scarf that I already owned. It has little moons and stars and like planets on it. It's so silky and soft, and it's from Zara. I paired it with these white little booties I got from Target last year that I hadn't even worn because I don't know, I just felt like I didn't really know how to pair them, but this year I'm feeling so inspired to wear them. I've seen them on so many people in so many videos, so I'm just really excited to incorporate these into more outfits. And yeah, I just absolutely love this look, and I'm so excited I started looking for the skirt because you'll see the other items. So keeping with that same like flowy t-shirt I just showed you guys, I got this white one that I also made a little knot on because I just feel like it fits better. It gives more structure to the waist while still giving flowiness out the top because of like the little sleeves. But I paired it with these flare leopard pants that I also got from Forever 21 but like a few months ago. And then I put this little necklace that has like a medallion on it. And you can also wear, I know it's like, these pants are really, really tight. They make your butt look really good. So if you don't feel super comfortable with that, I also paired it with this awesome oversized denim jacket that has an amazing detail in the back. I love these pearls. I think it just looks so cool. A lot of people have asked me if I DIY'd this. No way, I am probably not that talented with clothing. I paired this with those same white booties. I think it looks so cute. And I mean, you could wear this for brunch. You could wear this on a little date with your boo. You could wear this like on a girls' night out. Or you could just wear it like if you're feeling really cute one day and you just want to like conquer the day. So keeping with that same flared pant look, I got these red, almost corduroy, almost velvety overalls. and they're flared like I said. These are so cool because they have like this cool zipper running down the middle. They fit really nice on the waist. They're so comfortable, and I paired it with this red and pink and blue neckerchief. Well, it's really just a scarf that you can like tie on your head, you can tie it on your neck, but I really love that little like Parisienne look. So I thought it just went so well. I really enjoyed it. The only thing is that with these overalls, I probably wouldn't wear my hair down, even though I love how like the black contrasts with the red, because I feel like you kind of lose my neck and then I look a little more shorter and like stumpy. So I probably would wear it with like a ponytail, but I just love these overalls. I think they are beautiful and amazing. They're going to be perfect for spring, and I paired them with those same white booties. The only thing is that I feel like with this white shirt, like it kind of makes me look chunky. So maybe next time I'll wear it with like a black top, and that'll really like make it sleeker. I highly recommend these overalls. I think they are amazing, and I'll have them linked in the description box along with all the other items I ordered. Hopefully they're still in stock. I think they are. So I call this next outfit my substitute teacher outfit, and the reason why is because I feel like it's a little bit more mature than what I typically wear, but I really enjoyed it. I felt like it was different. You guys know I like experimenting with new styles, but I got this little plaid shirt. It has little buttons that are like fabric buttons, which I really love. It has this very vintage style to it, and I love the colors. They are pastels that are perfect for spring. Reminds me of Easter, but I love that it has this tie detail right here because you can pair it with denim shorts, you can pair it with a little denim skirt, pants, whatever it is, it's gonna look really cute, especially in the summertime. And I paired it with this dress that I'm wearing right here. It's this denim dress. It has pockets right here. It is a little bit long for me, but I still really enjoy it. And you can do so many things with this dress, like pairing it with so many tops under that has been super in this year. I love those dresses. I paired this dress and the top with these little blue heels. I also got these from Forever 21. They are still in stock, and they are just so cute. I love that the heel is a 2.5-inch heel, so it's perfect for like everyday wear. I love the little strap, and I just think that these are perfect for spring. I would love these with like a midi dress, just for like, you know, a casual lunch date or something. And again, they're just so comfortable. I love the color. They scream spring. I'm so excited to pair these with so many more outfits. So moving on to another overall style dress. I saw this white dress online and I instantly felt like it could be paired with so many tops. Again, like this overall dress thing I am so in love with. I love the little rose gold hook closures that it has. I think it's very different. It also has like a rose gold style right here on this little buckle for the straps and in the back. I paired it with this top that I already owned. I got it from TJ Maxx a while ago, but I love that it has balloon sleeves and such a cool orangey print. I feel like the orange flowers and the orange colors in the top really bring out the rose gold detailing on the dress. A white dress I feel like is so interesting, especially paired with more color. And of course I paired it with the white booties. I felt like it really popped. It was a completely different style from what I typically wear colors wise, and I'm a very colorful person. And the dress fits amazing. It's very stretchy and very comfortable. So if you want to go out to eat, you want to like be at the mall and stuff, you are not gonna like feel claustrophobic in the dress. It definitely stretches a lot more than the denim one, and I just highly recommend it. So cute, and again, I'll be pairing it with a lot of different blouses. So moving on from dresses, now we are going back to skirts. And this skirt is the same one as the pink one. You guys know when I saw the pink one, I was like, I have to get the black one in case they fit amazing. And they do. They're so cool. I love this little ring detail on the zipper. I think it's very nice. And for this look, I wanted to do something a little different. I almost never wear black. I feel like it's kind of like a boring color. But I did want to incorporate some of it into springtime just to make it a little different and fun. So I picked this top up from Forever 21 as well. It's just striped horizontally, and I love stripes. I think they're so cool. It's long sleeve, but it's like oversized, and I love that around the collar it has this yellow color. I feel like it makes it look a little more interesting than if it were just black and white stripes. And just to make it a little bit more casual, I paired it with these black pom-pom mules that my sister got me last year. They're from Amazon, but they are the most comfortable thing ever. I love that they have a tiny little heel. They're just slip-on, they're fast and easy shoes. But these pom-poms are really what gets me every time. I feel like together this outfit is a lot more interesting because of the skirt, because of the stripes, and because of the pom-poms. And it's definitely something I will be wearing in the spring. And like I said, I typically don't wear black, but the details in this entire outfit just get me. And I highly recommend mixing up different textures, like with the skirt and the shirt, and like just putting some cool shoes that you really love, and it really makes an outfit very interesting. For my last and final outfit, oh, and I forgot to mention, I paired this hat with the pink skirt as well. It's definitely an option because I think denim just goes with everything. But this outfit is just so different. I got this sweater like a year ago from Fashion Nova, and I never wore it because I wasn't really sure what to wear it with. Well, I think it's perfect for the springtime. I paired it with this skirt that I got from Forever 21. It's new. It's just an acid wash denim skirt. But this skirt, you guys, fits amazing. It's so comfortable. Like, it stretches so well and it's so roomy. And then I paired it with this new denim style Baker Boy hat. I think this outfit together looks so good. Of course, I paired it with the white booties because it really made it like so fashionable. I was like, wow, I feel so cool. The skirt, you guys, I highly recommend it. This little Baker Boy hat is probably the newest hat you need in your collection because it goes with everything. It's denim. You can dress it up, you can dress it down, and it always hides a bad hair day. So yes, you guys, that is all my outfits for this spring lookbook. I hope you guys enjoyed. That was 7 total outfits. Wow, we really went through it pretty fast actually. I hope you guys enjoyed my ideas. I hope you enjoyed this video. I really put in a lot of work into it. And I'm thinking I'm gonna continue this Bougie on a Budget series featuring other stores that are also very affordable and carry trendy pieces whenever I do purchase a few items from them. So definitely keep an eye out on those. If you haven't subscribed already, make sure you subscribe to my channel and give this video a like if you enjoyed it, as well as hit the notifications bell so you can be notified every time I upload. That's really it from me. I enjoyed making this video so much, so I hope you enjoyed watching it, and I will see you in my next video next Saturday at 10 a.m.